Welcome to today's review on the ROVSUN 30LBS washing machine. This fully automatic portable washer is a convenient and reliable solution designed to simplify your laundry routine while keeping your clothes fresh and spotless. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this washing machine at the best price in the market. This washer combines a powerful 30-pound capacity with both washing and spin-drying capabilities, allowing you to handle large loads effortlessly and save valuable time in your daily routine. The diamond-patterned stainless steel drum is gentle on fabrics yet effective in cleaning, ensuring that even delicate clothing comes out looking like new every time. You will find 8 versatile washing modes and 8 adjustable water levels that give you complete control over your laundry, whether you are dealing with heavily soiled garments or delicate fabrics that need special care. The quick 26-minute wash option is ideal for busy individuals or families who want clean clothes fast without compromising performance. Its child lock function offers safety for households with kids, and the adjustable feet keep the machine stable on any floor, preventing movement or vibration during use. Another impressive feature is the self-cleaning function, which maintains the inner tub hygienic so you never have to worry about odors or residue building up over time. Despite its compact design, this washer is surprisingly spacious, making it perfect for apartments, dorms, or smaller homes where space is limited yet you still want a full-size washing experience. The clear and intuitive touch control panel ensures that everyone in the family can operate it easily without confusion. While it is portable, it still delivers reliable power with a 110-volt operation and efficient 400-watt motor, making sure each wash cycle is effective and energy-conscious. On the downside, the machine can be a little heavier to move once filled, so placing it in a permanent spot is recommended, and some users may prefer more drying options beyond the single spin cycle, but for its size and versatility it remains a standout choice in portable washers. Many customers have praised the ROVSUN washer for its combination of reliability, ease of use, and compact design, making it an Amazon choice for those looking for a small yet capable washing machine. It handles various fabrics and load sizes without fuss and keeps your laundry process simple and efficient, which is exactly what busy households need. The stylish white finish adds a clean, modern look to any space, while the top-load design is convenient for loading and unloading clothes quickly. Whether you are living in a bustling city apartment or managing a family home, the portability and performance make it a practical solution for everyday laundry needs. The ability to wash and spin dry in one machine saves both time and effort and reduces the need for multiple appliances, making it an investment that truly pays off. You will appreciate the thoughtful features such as child safety locks, self-cleaning drum, adjustable water levels, and a range of washing modes, all designed to give maximum flexibility with minimal hassle. The overall build quality feels robust and durable, ensuring that this washer will serve your laundry needs reliably for years. Users have noted that even though it is compact, it does not compromise on load capacity, meaning you can tackle large laundry days with confidence. If you value convenience, speed, efficiency, and safety, the ROVSUN 30LBS portable washer is a strong contender that balances all these aspects effectively. Make sure to check the link in the description below to get this washing machine at the best price and experience a smarter, easier way to handle laundry in your home without compromising on quality or performance.